We infrequent counsels are, and our marks of things declare, where to us unknown a clerk sits and takes them in the dark. He's the register of all, in our ken both great and small, by us forms his laws and rules. He's our master, we his tools, yet we can with greatest ease turn and wind him where we please. One of us alone can sleep, yet no watch the rest will keep. But the moment that he closes, every brother else reposes. If wine's brought or victuals dressed, one enjoys them for the rest.